Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled How Officers Put a Quick Stop to an Out of Control Situation by Bodycam Watch.
Trying to take off. She just beat the heck out of two people.
Who's she telling?
Who's she?
Beat her up.
Okay. Hey, man.
Stop her from beating the crap out of her. And then she beat up.
On January 19, 2024, officers responded to a call regarding a potential battery. When the first officer arrived on scene, he attempted to detain an unknown male who wouldn't follow his instructions to step back. The suspect then exited the vehicle and circled behind the officer.
Oh, Lord.
Adam Florida, Lincoln Nora Victor.
She found the cop?
Lincoln 90, LNV L90.
I got it. Look, I'll put it here. Here.
Oh!
All right.
Oh, y'all ain't going to jail.
Hey, look, I got it. Hold it. Let me get her. Can I get her? Stop. Here, I got you. Here. Take these off. Here. Look, I got it. Here. Presley, I got it. Here. Let me hold her.
She's like, no, baby, you don't have to go to jail. I'll go to jail for you.
Central 430 status check.
Here. Harley. Here. Harley. I was trying to.
I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I would have been mad if I was Harley, because I fight the cop to get the cop off of you, and then you holding me down with the cop, bitch.
Prevent all this.
I understand.
I know you're trying to arrest me.
I wasn't trying to. I was trying to detain you.
I was just trying to. This from happening. I knew if you did that. God.
Here. You'll be all right. I'm good.
Good, dude.
You're good.
Harley,
Damn.
Stop. Harley, you're too far going there.
It's over. 4:30 Central. I got 1:10:15.
All right, we're gonna get her up. She battered me. She punched me.
You are going down, I promise you.
Stand up.
Wyatt, stop! Wyatt, get off of me!
Does anybody know where Charlotte County is?
I promise you
Go back. I see.
Side note, it seems like milk after the cereal's gone is like the best milk ever.
Why are you hitting me in my face?
You hit him in the face like a million times. What do you mean?
Harley, stop.
This lady would give Tylenol a headache.
Can I push her in there?
No. I need it at once. It's on my set.
Wyatt, get off of me! I'll hit by you, mother... I will kill you!
Whatever she had, it was strong.
I will get off of you, mother...
This how I'm trying to be on my next vacation, minus the officers.
Cyber. Let me just grab a breath. Yep.
What the hell?
Alright, move that. 4:30 Central.
Anybody else involved?
She's in there.
She's 10:13. Anybody else involved?
The blonde girl over there, and then the gentleman trying to find her phone. She threw her phone out there. That one threw her phone out of the car.
And there's a man on the dock over there that's working. He works over there. She beat the crap out of him when he tried to prevent her from beating that girl anymore. She pummeled him, kicked him in his nuts, headbutted
Trying to
him.
stab me.
Like,
So you guys weren't involved in this fight?
no,
No,
trying to stop.
I got
like,
called
she was
out by a
beating her in the
customer.
middle of traffic. She was just pummeling her to death. She was driving the other girl over there. This is her vehicle. I pulled it over here to get away from her.
What this the Range Rover is her vehicle?
She couldn't, whoever's it is, that's what she was driving. And
I
she
love
was
bread
trying-
toast.
She was trying to get out of there. The girl was hanging on her, beating her while she was on the driver's wheel. Multiple people tried to stop her from coming.
That's her own sister too, y'all.
When she was
Yeah,
doing that?
the door was open. She was just swinging on her.
The door opened, something flew out, so I was right behind
She
her.
threw a
Through the other phone.
Something flew out, and then hands were being thrown. I don't know if it was both parties or just her.
Okay.
And
So
then-
where,
And then she attacked.
where's this other woman at?
Come up.
She's right over there.
She's right over there by the thing. Then I forgot what.
She's like, I ain't coming back over there until y'all put her ass in jail. That lady crazy.
They're friends. They've been out at Leroy's.
No, they
They were
sisters.
both involved. But the blonde guy, he wasn't even here, so he doesn't even know what was going on. He just
Yeah, what's his deal?
I think it's her brother. I don't know. He
Ma'am,
wasn't even here when any of this happened.
what about the people in the dock? Are they involved too?
They were witnesses. This gentleman with the blue gloves, he was the one trying to hold her because she beat the crap out of the other girl. She was headbutting him, and
So he's just an innocent person that was.
yes, he was trying to help the other girl, but she was beating the shit out of this girl. Sorry about my language.
He's heard worse.
had everybody's back, no matter what.
You had everybody's back by what? Beating their ass?
And this girl is obviously your friend or something?
I mean, she was. I don't know what happened. We were at Leroy's and she had drank too much. And so I called her brother, who is in that truck.
Okay.
And I said, Harley is intoxicated.
Oh, he was just trying to be a good brother.
And you don't need medical attention.
No.
All right, let's
No.
keep walking. Actually, that's a bunch of mud right there.
Let me out! Let me out!
What the hell?
What's she so upset about?
Dude, I have no idea. Like, all of a sudden, she just switched. She sat there. It beat the shit out of me. I was like,
I mean, she's going to jail.
no, I get it, but like, dude, what the
How the are you gonna let me stay here? I would never let you, bitch!
You would never let somebody sit in the cop car after they just whooped your ass? I don't know about that one.
You! Drag your shame! Drag your dick into my bitch! You! I'll beat the out of you! How the is my family gonna turn on me? Get these off my wrists! Get them off my wrists!
This more than alcohol. This some other shit.
Please! I hate you! I hate you! I will never talk to any of them again. They're not my family anymore.
Yeah, alright.
Kill you! I'm gonna kill you, bitch!
Who you trying to do that to?
You fat little bitch! I will drag you from here to Hong Kong! Who the f are you? I
That's a lot of dragging.
drag Charlotte Gowdy! I don't care, you fat little bitch! Wait till I get out of this handcuffs, bitch. Wait till I get out of these handcuffs. I cannot wait for my own sister to betray me like this. My own sister. Wait till my own sister betrays me. I will stomp your ugly ass little face into the ground. Watch. Watch what happens, Presley. Nobody wants your ugly little kid. Oh, I wanna be this nut. No, your kid is a little menace to society. Nobody wants him. Nobody wants your kid. And wait till I drag our parents and stomp their shit in their ground.
What the hell?
I've never drug anyone. I've never put my hands on anyone. I will get the fattest steak after this, and my boyfriend will take me out to a $500 dinner, and you can arrest me for all you want, and my dad will literally bail my
If I was her daddy and I seen this, I'd be like, yeah, you gonna stay there for a little longer.
I should pee on your squad car. I am literally the prettiest girl in Charlotte County, and like, no, I don't deserve this. My bra is hanging out. Like, this is disgusting. This is sickening. I don't deserve this shit. I deserve top quality shit.
Not acting like that.
Do you know what my house looks like? I have a nice ass house, and I am literally going to sue them.
Money does not stop you from being ignorant. Ignorance is just ignorance, babe. Oh no. Oh
I just
no.
want to go home. I've never been. Want to go, female?
She just spitting this shit. Lord, this lady is annoying. I wanna go home.
Haley.
My name is Harley. Please let me go.
I would have been like, Haley.
Again. I was told Haley by somebody else. They just misread your name.
Can you just
What's
let me
going
go
on
home?
today?
That's not gonna happen.
I want to go home.
For now.
No, you're a bald little bitch. I don't want to talk to you.
I got more hair than anybody out here.
I'm the number one. I run all this shit in Charlotte County. All these businesses, and that's my business. I'm a hair.
This is annoying, bro. Imagine going through life like this, like 6 raccoons trapped in a fucking trash can.
Stylist. Nobody, and I'm just literally ruining my name by letting you guys.
If you have all that stuff going for you, you have good connection with the community.
I will beat the out of all of you after this. You think anyone cares about me going to jail? Nobody gives a I will run that shit down to the ground. Let me go the home.
I care that you're here.
No. You bald ass bitch. You put me in a jail cell with my hands tied behind my back. This car could set on fire right now and I would die.
Now they would get you out.
My bra is falling off of me. I have no dignity right now.
You been lost that.
I want to go home. No, you ass little laughing ass bitch. I will drag you. I will beat the out of that bald little bitch. Let me go the
Don't let her go until she's sober up for 3 days.
You think it's funny? You fat mother. I want to go home. I live in a $500,000 square foot house. You think I want to sit in the back of this cop car? You.
That's where you going, bitch.
I want to go home.
Well, we're a little past that right now.
Please let me go home.
I love that cop.
Inside. We got to get you processed.
Process for what?
The jail.
Okay, arrest me. I don't care. I weigh 150 pounds.
You're already arrested, stupid.
Arrest me and whatever.
Okay.
I'll buy your mommy tomorrow and your daddy. Whatever. I'll be on CCSO in the morning. I don't give a
That's fine.
I run Charlotte County. I own Charlotte County. I make $700,000 a year, and I'm sitting in the back of a cop car.
Well, taxpayers are gonna love that. Well, especially the cops, because they get paid. This is everything: arrest, jail time, charges. It's all money. So, I mean, you got so much money, just give it to them. You're doing an amazing job.
It doesn't matter. Get me out of here. Get me the out of here, please. This thing could catch on fire right now, and I would die.
It won't catch fire, I promise you.
No, I want to go home. I made $700,000 last year. Get me out of here. I don't care how much it costs.
Entitlement. Jesus Christ.
Out of here. A lawyer will buy you all tomorrow. I don't want to know how much it costs. Get me the out of this car.
The people that always say that shit is usually people that don't have to pay for nothing.
You short mother. Get me the out of this car. I'm going to freak the out. How the do I make $700,000 in 1 year doing hair, and I'm sitting in the back of a cop car? Like, be for real.
Because you're a dumbass.
Sounds like you broke a couple laws.
I'll headbutt you right mother. Let me the out. I will buy whoever has to get me out of here. I want to go home. Oh my God. I'm the #1 hairstylist in Charlotte County. You think I am owning? I'm sitting in the back of a cop car for no reason? Let me the out. And when I get out, I'm headbutting you, dumb bitch. Get me the out of here.
You saying that to a cop?
No, shut the up, you ugly little licking having ass bitch. I will drag your daughter. I do every bitch in Charlotte County's hair. You know that, right? No. Yeah, no, I do.
I'd be like, you never done my hair.
Your daughter's hair. And I will. Yeah, your daughter's probably ugly. Bitch, drag me the out of here. Beat the out of me, because I will beat the out of you when I get out. Let me the out of this cage. I am not an animal. I'm
Says the animal that's acting like an animal.
$700,000 in taxes last year. Let me the out of this car. Oh my God. No, let me out.
Trying to get you out.
Oh my God, I'm gonna freak the out. How the do I pay $700,000 a year in taxes and you're gonna have me in here? Please, don't touch me. Please don't touch me. Please don't touch me. No, you're getting out now. Get out. Okay, don't get out. Hurt me, please. Get out.
Are you just talking all that shit? Now you talking about some don't hurt you. What the hell? What was she charged with? Battery on the Leo, 2 counts, resisting with violence, corruption by a threat against public servant. Battery, 2 counts. Oh yeah, yo ass ain't never getting out. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And that's it, baby. Oh, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. But as always, it's been a pleasure, and we out.